Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cook this strawberry jam in Heartopia. So in this game, you can cook many jam. One of them is the strawberry jam, and then in this oven, in this called Ovil's oven, you also need this strawberry jam because it's one of the ingredients to make the grilled squid with strawberry jam like this, so you must have this strawberry jam. And to cook it or to unlock it is very easy. First you just need to go to your stove, and then next just if you haven't unlocked the strawberry jam recipe, first you can make it or you can unlock it from the mixed jam like this. That this recipe you can get automatically when you start this cooking hobby. And after that, you can just replace the fruit with strawberry like this. Just replace all the fruit with strawberry like this. And then after that, just tap on start cooking like this. And then next, just cook the jam. And just like that, you will successfully cook this strawberry jam. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.